Hello guys, welcome to my channel Benny FX, and in today's video we'll be looking at how to set a stop loss on MT4. If you want to be a good trader, you must always work with stop loss and take profit. So in this video we'll be looking at how to set a stop loss. And in case you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. Alright, as you can see, we're in this trade. So let's use our crosshair to let's say we want to put our stop loss at this place above that high. Yeah, 1.7365. So that's where we want to set our stop loss. So now we'll click on the trade button in the middle. Now we'll click on hold it, then we'll go to modify, then we set our stop loss there, 1.737. Now modify. Now see, now go back to our chart. Now we can see that our stop loss is now set at that place. By the left there we see SL, so that is our stop loss. So that's how to set the stop loss. Now let's look at the desktop version and see. So this is the desktop version. So in the desktop version, this is how we set our stop loss. Now we have a sell trade running here, so we can just click on the green dot here, like when the entry is, click on it and we drag it up, click and drag. So that is now our stop loss. That's the fastest way of setting our stop loss. We can click and drag it, can bring it down or up. So but we cannot bring it below because they're supposed to be a take profit. So since this is a stop loss, it can't go below price except above price. So if you want to get very specific with our stop loss, we just click on the trade, this blue line, we just click on it, double click it, then now we come to this that go to modify order, click on modify order, then we just go to stop loss, then we go to our stop loss there, then we're now adjust it there now. So now let's put our stop loss on 1.303, then we'll just modify. Now that is another way of setting our stop loss. We can set our stop loss now that been set. So that is how to set a stop loss on a desktop version of MT4.